Hi guys, this is like my LG 55 OLED CX C10, whatever you want to call it. It's like the new LG Magic Remote, much better than the original I got for this TV. Don't move, man. So much better, man. Let's get the original. My God, man. Look. When you're on a sofa, it goes like that. LG give you like a toy remote control with this £1,700 TV. It's ridiculous. Always hated this remote. Hated it. It just looks cheap and plastic. Doesn't look good, man. This is so much better. Like, I got a 6-year guarantee on this TV when I bought it nearly 2 years ago. So the plan is to keep it over 6 years. Just don't want to upgrade. I just rather just keep this TV. I've had no problems with it, with screen burning, dead pixels. It's been okay. It's been fine, mate. So I'm quite happy. Cheers.